Just about 10 minutes west of Vail, minutes off I-70, is the Walking Mountains Science Center in the town of Avon, Colorado. This nonprofit center offers hands-on learning experiences designed to deepen your connection with the natural world. Whether you're exploring their scenic hiking trails, attending an interactive science program, or joining a guided backcountry excursion, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Visitors of all ages can engage with sustainability initiatives, wildlife education, and climate science while taking in breathtaking mountain views. You can learn what makes ants special, how snow impacts and shapes the Rocky Mountains, or why insect colonies are superorganisms. The center's mission is to inspire environmental stewardship through immersive education, making it the perfect spot to learn, explore, and reconnect with nature. Inside, you can learn about the way Colorado looked when it was an ancient sea, or when lava once swirled and spouted in the area. Outside, you can walk the trails and enjoy art along the routes, from sculptures to informational signs about the wonders of the area. There are many different habitats and ecological communities along the steep mountain slopes. Plan your visit and experience the magic of the mountains firsthand at the Walking Mountains Science Center.